Yes. So you might say, in a certain context then, that I belong to you. Everything I'm saying today belongs to you. Is that so? Yeah. Everybody here totally owns what's being said. Everybody totally owns the speaker. Huh? So what is the speaker then? The speaker is what? Spiritual educator. There you go. How's that for a term? Is that a good term? You like that? Okay. Spiritual educator. In other words, we share with you the truth as it was subjectively experienced and as it is present within. But that's not comprehensible. So we go back to what it is that keeps it from being comprehensible. We try to explain it in terms that are understandable to the scientifically trained mind. We have to pay attention. Jesus wasn't dealing with scientifically trained people, you know what I'm saying? They couldn't read or write, for God's sake. He had a snap of a job. They hadn't read all the books. There weren't any books on the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? No, things have evolved in the last couple thousand years. And the listener, the student of today is somewhat different, considerably different. Far more sophisticated. In the 400s, those people there that Jesus dealt with were probably in the 200s, right? Huh? Yeah. Can we ask that? We have permission to ask that, resist. That became followers were below 200 to start with, resist. Yeah. So it was the power of the truth coming through that transformed the people, and the people instantly saw the truth that he revealed. That was his authority, out of which they became enlightened. The saints all became enlightened as a result of the capacity to drop all resistance and just respond to that truth, just as I did with my grandparents and my father about who women really were. And I got in an instant who they really were. Didn't need to read any books on the subject. Just got it right off the bat. One instant, I got who women were. And in the lectures, all we want is, in one instant, we get who we really are. All of us here are a gift to the world. Let's see if we're a gift to the world. Is a gift to the world. Wow. Okay. So our being here at this moment, all of us who are here at this moment, are collectively a gift to the world.